Yeah, there's the old finished product of the gray box I showed you. I guess I'll call it part one, which is only a couple minutes. This is part two. Don't know how long it's going to be, but it's not going to be very long. This is MM555NC with a quick video on this 50 amp slash 60 amp switching supply, power supply, 12 volt, 15 volt, whatever it wants to be turned up to. It's not variable, but you can vary it on the supplies inside. There's the inside right there. The 120 green wires on the side over there, and then your right there is your DC out, 12 to 15 volts, going to the back where I got the little studs on it. And hook this real quick. Turn this thing around real fast, show you what the back of it looks like. I can do this without messing anything up. By the way, this is a plastic box. Got the fuse holder, 5 amp fuse right now, and seems to be just fine with a 5 amp in it. I don't know what's going to happen later. There, I got my LEDs stuck in there. But that's what it looks like. Let me turn a little bit more light on. That's probably not going to help much, but it might. Positive and negative. Okay, I'm going to turn it back around and fire up this little 2-tube Elkin mobile box and put some strain on it, see what happens. Let me set this thing down. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, what we have here, I got a 3-way switch which centers off. In the near future, I'm going to add 2 more of those switchers if I like the way these work. That's actually, they're 230s. I call it 50s because really you just want, I like to keep it, they say 30, more likely they're probably closer to 25 each. But the way I'm going to do it on this switch here, I'm going to, when you switch it down, is going to be the 2 modules, 50 amps. Center's going to be off. Of course, the way it's wired now is I got it where you switch it up, everything comes on. Okay. Hadn't decided I'm got the lid for it. I hadn't decided whether I'm gonna put a fan in it or not. I gotta put me some holes in the back, give it some air, because those things This supply on the right, the fan's running. I think there might be a little problem with that, but I'm going to take care of that. But the fans are only supposed to come on when it gets up to a certain temperature. This one on the right's been coming on pretty quick, and it keeps running. But that's fine, but it doesn't seem to be getting much hotter than the other one. But anyway, I want to be running this little 2-tube Elkin. I'm going to switch it on. See what my voltage is, 15.0. Okay. Fan started running a little bit faster, but it'll slow down. But you see, this 2-tube has actually got like a couple amp, 3 amp draw just to light the tubes up, just to power it up. I'm gonna key it up in just a minute, real quick, and I'm gonna end this video. I'm not gonna mess around here very long. Just gonna key it up and show you that it's not got much of a drop on it, if any at all. Just give these tubes and this Elkin time to warm up, light up a little bit, warm up, whatever you want to call it. But here we go. And this, anybody that knows about a tube type mobile, they got like a whine to them when you key down. Got like a 45. I'm on that 200 scale, the top scale. 45, 50. Oh yeah. LO. About a 150 watt swing on this 2-tuber. So let's see what kind of drop we have on that voltmeter. Hello. Oh yeah. Just a tenth of a volt, which is pretty good. I like that. Anyway. Hello. Later on, I'm gonna, when I get these other 2 supplies in, I'm gonna drop them in there in that space right there, and see how it works. When I do that, I'll come back and show you. Appreciate you watching. MM555NC. I'm gone.